Guys, here's the video I've been waiting for. The one on the Jet2 days, 321. Gonna push back now. The tug.
It's time to take you through the safety procedures for our Airbus A321neo. It's very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with details about emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, the brace position, and more.
And you'll find even more safety info in our Jetaway magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by us.
This plane has 10 emergency exits. These are clearly marked, and we're pointing them out to you now.
To help you find your way to the exits when there's reduced lighting and visibility, we have extra lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor. Take a look for your nearest exits now, bearing in mind that they may be behind you.
If you need to leave the plane quickly, take off your shoes or anything that may damage the slide. Leave all...
Beautiful view, guys. Yeah, my friend's filming too or something. See you later, suckers!